Are you an Osseo Area Schools parent looking to find your grades for the 2021 school year inside Schoology? This tutorial will take you through how to find all of your grades in one spot for a student and how to get a detailed look at individual courses. To get to Schoology, you're going to go to www.schoology.com. From there, you're going to click on Log In and use the credentials that you use to set up your account. Once you log in, you're going to land on your landing page and it will have information directed to you. You're going to go and choose your student. I am going to choose one of my students who's actually a student in the district. And from the landing page about him, I'm going to choose this Grades tab. And I'm going to choose Grade Report. That grade report is going to take me to a list of all of his courses. Now this spring, or last spring, we left the courses in there, so he's going to have this year's courses and last year's. I'm going to show you how to take a look at just grades for just this trimester. So you're going to click on Download Student Report, and you're going to get a window that pops up, and you're going to scroll all the way down and choose Term 1, September 13th, 2020 to December 18th, and choose Next. And then do Select All, and that will give me all of the courses that he is currently in, and it will give me a score for each. That score is going to be out of a 4-point grading system, and that's going to be based on information from our 4-point standards-based instruction and grading rubric. At the end of the trimester, those scores will be used to translate to a letter grade using our secondary grade scale. Both of those documents can be found on our Osseo Area Schools webpage in our Parent and Family Toolkit. In addition to that downloadable report where you can see all of the final grades, or the grades as they stand right now for that course, you can see detailed reports inside the actual courses. So if I click on his English class, you'll see an overall term score. That is a 3.56. I could take that to get an idea of where he's at and go look at that grading scale. I can see that this assignment is turned in but not yet graded, and I can see scores he's received. If I want to see actual work, I can click on that assignment. It'll take me to the work that he turned in. There are some other symbols you might see, and if the teacher had left feedback, you'd be able to see notes over here. They might have left feedback inside of an assignment, however, and to see that you could go to an assignment. You might also see symbols in here that indicate that the assignment is missing, or that it is incomplete, which might mean it's missing or was turned in partially done, or that it is excused, meaning that student has possibly shown learning in another way or had an extended absence and the teacher has excused it. There are no summatives yet in this trimester. Summatives would be down here. Those would be tests and exams and projects that show mastery of the standard. And formative work, kind of like homework, is going to be no more than 20% of the student's grade, and that's going to be up there. So since there is not yet any summative work, at the current time, the student's formative grade and summative grade are the same. I hope that helps you navigate and find the information for your student and their grades that you are looking for.